Hi everyone, here are the details about content as well as traffic related to all my niche website for my entire portfolio for the month of June alone. So let me take you through the details. For site 1, I published 12 articles in the month of June about with a average word count of 1200 words. You can see here, and then site 2, no work is going on. Because it informed you that it got hit by productivity algorithm, so I stopped working on this particular site for now. And site 3 is now coming up. I have seen some positive trends in last month and also now, so I am actually now publishing more and more content. But basically you can see here about 8 articles with average word count of 2500 words, but there is a small catch here, it is much more than this. So what I am doing here is I am actually, instead of writing for the new topics, I picked up the topics from my Google Search Console itself. If I think last month also I made one video clearly explaining about this particular site 3 case study, where what I observed is for a set of about 20 to 30 articles, there are secondary topics are actually started ranking well. For which I wrote hardly any content in that topic. So it was the trend for almost 20 to 25 articles. What I am doing now is I picked up all those 25 articles and then creating a separate article for that particular subtopic, and then doing some rewriting of the existing article. So effectively what you see is 8 are new articles published, but what I am the effort point of it is about 16 articles effort. What is happening is, in the current article I am actually from that subtopic I am completely creating a new article, and also for the existing article also I am doing by taking out that particular subtopic I am doing some rework and all that. So that's how it is happening. That's where even the effort is much more than what you see here, but technically net to net it got site got added about 8 articles in the month of June. So that's about site 3. And site 4, these were the articles got written last month itself, not in the month of June but prior to June. I just published all of them in the month of June, because in the month of June I couldn't get any of the content written because my writer was not well, so going little slow on this site. Then site 5, no work is going on, similar to site 2, got hit by product review algorithm, so not working anything related to this site for now. And site 6 is the site that I just launched last month. If you remember, it is in home improvement area. This is the site I am aggressively pushing the content now. You can see here, in the month of June alone I published 30 articles with the average word count of 1644 is basically the word count of average article. So altogether you see nearly 50k words of content was pushed for this site in the month of June alone. The reason is, typically for any of the news site it is taking about 6 to 9 months of time to really start showing some positive signs and attracting to get some traction. And this particular site was launched in the month of May. So if I leave for 9 months, it will be only in the early first quarter of next year. But in the November, December months are normally very strong months with respect to revenue generation. So I'm trying to see if I push more and more content in maybe this month and next month, probably if it can really open up by November, December, I may be able to make some revenue. With that hope, I'm trying to go a little aggressive on this site and try to push as much content as possible. So as of now it has about 45 articles together. So let me see how much more I can actually push this month and upcoming month. And site 7 is a new site that I recently purchased, and apart from cleanup, I also added nearly 12 new articles in the month of June. That's about site 7. So let me take you through that typical tracker that I manage. This is the same data, whatever data we have seen in this sheets. I am just tracking it in my yearly plan calendar. You can see site 1 as per plan, 10 was planned and 12 published, good. Site 2, unfortunately no work is going on because of the algorithm update. Site 3, little behind the plan, but actually as just now I said, right, though it looks 8 articles, actually I worked on 16 articles, so still I think it's going okay, but technically it is still behind the plan. Site 4, yeah, I couldn't publish more articles because I had some technical reasons. The writer's availability was a problem. And then site 5, unfortunately no work, same as site 2, no work is going on currently. Site 6, this is the new site that got launched last month. You can see planned was only 15, but we published 30 articles, nearly 100% more than the actual the planned. And then site 7 is the recently bought site, and we published 12. So again a 50-50, 3 sites in green, nearly 4 sites are in amber, but overall I think looking good. This is how we are progressing with respect to the annual planning. So let me take you through the analytics, present it, and so here is the site 1 traffic. So the first box you can see the lifetime traffic, this month more or less flat. It is basically held on to the last month traffic, and this traffic, this particular chart, the below chart, you can see the comparison for the last 30 days. So in comparison from between June and May, you can see it overall more or less flat. Page views also 74K versus 72K, nothing much to speak about, but happy that it is holding that the same traffic that actually grown in the past few months. So that's about site 1 and looking healthy as of now. At site 2, nothing much again, it got basically hit, and you can see last month there were about 140, where are the page views, here only page views you can see at the bottom. Last month there were 220 and this month there are 210, hardly anything to say talk about this particular site. Site 3 is this now the creating some excitement, as I just told you. Also in terms of revenues also, while talking about the revenues from this site, I explained about I mentioned about the traffic uptrend. If you have not watched my video about June income report, please go and check it out. So it actually started earning some money from Ejoic as well, in addition to some few dollars from Amazon. You can see here. So if you see the page views, it is 40% up. Last month there were 610 page views or there. This month it is 879 page views, and users also about nearly 100% up. So it is looking good. I hope the trend would continue next upcoming months also. Site 4 still nothing much, no much movement. So you can see a change in the pattern here or format here, because of late Google is allowing only to follow that new Google Analytics format. So I will have to figure out a way to report all these things uniformly, but for now these were the old format Google Analytics data. This is the new format. So for all new sites, this is the format I am able to get it. For now I am actually sharing the data as it is. So we will see in future if we can actually altogether come up with a common format. So with respect to users, this is the entire lifetime. It was launched in the month of February, not much movement so far. The last month there were about 138 users were there, but nothing much to talk about. Site 5, it is more or less sleeping, there is no action, nothing happening, so nothing much to talk about. Site 6 is a site it launched last month. You can see in the mid of May it got launched, and it attracted about 168 users, but don't go by that, because in the first 1 or 2 months obviously there will be a lot of bots and crawlers, as well as I myself will be publishing a lot of content. At that time I go and check out the content and all that. So though numbers are looking high, these are not all the organic traffic numbers. That's the point we need to keep in mind. Site 7, this is the site I bought recently. Now trend, you can see it is upward. So this is the lifetime trend. If you see last month it really picked up, and you can see in the below graph the users about 60% jump, 839 to 1300, and page views nearly 50% jump. Last month there were about 1100 page views, and this in the month of May it about 1100 page views. In the month of June about 1850 page views. That's looking very strong, and I hope the trend would continue. So those are the details about the traffic as well as the content. So my target now is to push the content for the site number 7, site number 7, 4 and also 6 for in next 2 to 3 months as much as possible, and then give a break to these sites. Site 1 and 3 will continue to get more and more content, because I am seeing now the traffic upward trend is continue to happen. So I want to keep pushing some content for these sites. That's the plan. Let me see how it goes. So that's all the details I wanted to share. If you have any specific questions, please do ask in the comment section. Thanks for your time. Bye.